In a cozy kitchen filled with the aroma of freshly baked cookies, lived a spunky little spoon named Spatula. Unlike her siblings neatly tucked away in the drawer, Spatula preferred adventure. One day, a delicious smell filled the air. Mrs. Kapoor, the kind baker, had taken out her special cookie recipe. Spatula watched with wide eyes as the cookies went into the oven. But disaster struck. As Mrs. Kapoor turned away for a moment, a mischievous cat named Whiskers leaped onto the counter. With a flick of his tail, the plate of cookies tumbled to the floor with a loud clatter. Before Mrs. Kapoor could react, Whiskers snatched a cookie in his mouth and darted under the fridge. Spatula, ever the adventurer, knew she had to act. With a wiggle and a jump, Spatula launched herself off the counter and landed near the fridge. She peeked underneath, spotting Whiskers munching on the stolen cookie. Spatula knew she couldn't overpower Whiskers, so she began tapping out a rhythm on the floor with her handle. Whiskers, startled by the noise, looked up with a mouthful of cookie crumbs. Spatula, using all her charm, explained the situation. Surprisingly, Whiskers, a softy at heart, felt guilty. He dropped the remaining cookie crumb and slunk away, leaving Mrs. Kapoor's precious recipe untouched. When Mrs. Kapoor returned, she found the plate on the floor but the cookies unharmed. Spatula, back in her drawer, wiggled with satisfaction. She had saved the cookies and discovered that even the smallest spoon could make a big difference. From that day on, Spatula wasn't just the curious spoon. She was the hero who saved the cookies, proving that even the most unexpected spoon can become a kitchen champion.